Alright, in this video I just want to show you how to crossfade within 2 tracks. So up here is what might be like an interview audio. So it's my wife telling a story about how she gave my socks to the guy who works at Panera.
I have a pair of dry socks in the car.
You had a pair of dry socks in the car from yesterday,
Yeah.
the day before.
Yeah.
So I gave them to him.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, and then this track here is there's just some natural sound that I had that I wanted to kind of put at the end of her clip. So we'll play the audio on top.
Oh, that was nice of you. How'd you know I had socks in there?
I was a guess because I saw your extra shoes in there.
Oh.
Okay, so you hear how this clip ended, and then the outside noise one, my net sound, continued on. It sounds a little rough, that little transition.
It's in there.
Oh.
So what I want to do is to do a crossfade. So this yellow bar, so first of all, I'm using the move tool up here, and let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. And what I'm looking for is, see this yellow bar? This is the volume, and I can control it by clicking on it and going up. Oh, hold on. Going up or down. Now you see, just setting it level, it was kind of doing it at an angle. That's because when I click on it, I'm creating what's called a keyframe. And a keyframe is just a little point along this volume line that you can manipulate the slope here. So I got one keyframe right here, and then I kind of want I want her to fade out just a little bit as the net sound comes up. So I'm fading that out by creating a keyframe here and here at the bottom, at the end of the track. And this is my fade out. And then here I'm going to move to the net sound clip. I'm going to create a keyframe just by clicking the mouse on the yellow line. It creates that blue keyframe dot. And then I'm going to put another keyframe here way at the end. And I'm just going to I'm just going to have the volume on this rise as the volume on the above clip lowers. So the clip that's ending, the volume lowers, and on the clip that's starting, the volume raises. Let's see if it sounds any different.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
the day before.
Yeah.
So I gave them to him.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice of you. How'd you know I had socks in there?
I was a guess because I saw your extra shoes in there.
Oh.
See, that transition to me sounds a lot smoother. You can even fine-tune the fade. You can make another keyframe in there, and then you can pull the end there, so the fade out is a little more complicated. You can even raise the volume here by adding in another keyframe, and then you can fade it back out again if you want, just by doing that. So this is my favorite part of editing, doing all these little keyframes and adjusting the volume.
A pair of dry socks in the car from yesterday,
Yeah.
the day before.
Yeah.
So I gave them to him.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice of you. How'd you know I had socks in there?
I was a guess because I saw your extra shoes